Hey y'all, today's video is going to be a good old press-on nail removal, and it is really quick. It only takes a few steps, so I'm just going to hop right into it. All you're going to need is a bowl, soap of your choice, warm water, and I use cuticle oil. I just pour some cuticle oil from the beauty supply store into my warm water and soap mixture. And then you can also use the cuticle pusher. Like, I put a wooden cuticle pusher in all of my orders, and you can use that to get up under the nail to take those press-ons off. But me today, I'm going to be using this plastic, like this is like for nail polish swatching, and it just works so good. I'm like, do I need to start giving these to my customers, because it works kind of better than a wooden cuticle pusher, because you want something that's sturdy, also thin enough to get up under there. And this is the key: you do not want to put your tool, whatever tool you're using, under the press on and lift up, because that's how you're going to end up ripping off the what would you call it, like the skin on your natural nail. You don't want to do that. That is the unhealthy removal process. You want to get under there, and then you want to slide your way through all of that glue that's under the press-on nail and on top of your natural nail. So usually I just go under from the side, and then I try to slide up. And the longer you let your nails soak, the easier it'll be to remove the nails. This set I had on for maybe a week. I think I just wore this set for like exactly a week before I removed these. But the longer you wear your press-ons, the easier they will be to remove. Recently I removed press-ons that I wore for like a day. Do not recommend. I still got them off and my nails still look fine. I got them off safely, but I don't recommend it. If you need one day wear, girl, get the gel tabs, because the glue is just too strong. It works too good. But anyway, I think that's really all I need to say. This is how you remove the press-ons, and I'm just gonna sit here and let y'all watch the rest of this video and admire what's left of this set, because by the way, I really love this set. It's the Inspo 16 Nailed, I think is the name on Instagram. It was not my own design. I stole it, and it was so cute, and I have pictures of it on my Instagram, so if you want to see that, go to my Instagram. But anyway, I'll shut up now. This is a removal. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know what other kind of videos y'all want to see, because I need to step up my YouTube game.
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. And I'm mesmerized like every night by every word she'll say. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a hold. She's got a say, got a say. And she doesn't know that I want to know.
Things that think of the thing. Good. Start it off. I know. You turned it around. She did.